Ayun, so nabibless ako no, as a first timer dito sa business. Last month, kumita tayo 626,000. And for 3 weeks, for the month of August, kumita tayo, God's grace, 641,000. And for another week, malalaman natin ngayon dahil Tuesday is income day. So silipin natin sa JC Wallet. And yan, as a diamond account holder
So, total
ng Master
of?
Wholesaler, tingnan natin ang total income natin for the month of August.
1 month lang, wow.
Tingnan natin.
Ano
Ano
naman?
ba?
4 weeks.
Guys, tutok kayo. Let's go. Let's do this. JC Wallet. Thank you so much, JC. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jem-Ann, Jem-Rai, Jerens. No, sa lahat ng mga nagtiwala sa atin, maraming salamat. It's all by God's grace. Napagandang trainings kasi isang kahit bata ang negosyante 25 years old, first time sa negosyo, kayang-kayang gawin. Thank you, Lord talaga. God bless.